also wanted you to speak to us about your Decennium Opportunities Fund, So, how are you looking at that? How do you construct the portfolio there?
Right, right. So coming to this Decennium opportunity, the Decennium word itself means a decade full of opportunity. So we are looking at an India growth story, a person who is believing in India market right now, that next 5 to 10 years we are definitely going to be from a fifth largest economy, we are going to step one more ahead, that is fourth largest or third largest next 5 years or 10 years down the line. There are definitely certain sectors which are going to pull this economy to that level. It is not that all the sectors are going to participate in a similar manner. There are some sectors which would be an average performer. There are certain segments or sectors which will be having a better growth compared to the average growth, and some sector might be little subdued. This particular portfolio Decennium opportunity that we are looking at over here, the sectors which are participating in an ongoing industrial revolution, the fourth and fifth industrial revolution that we are talking about in this particular era at this point of time, there are a lot of businesses which are going for some transformational changes. Disruptive technology is taking over, and I can say these are some of the new age sectors, the sectors which were never thought about. Okay, this could be a sector. That sectors also is now
solving the
coming
bigger
up.
problem.
Yes. So now with this industrial revolution at this point of time, there are certain sectors we believe which are going to definitely have a better growth. Some of the sectors that we know, that's like in auto, electronic vehicle is taking the leadership over here. Clean and green energy, same way the renewable source of energy over here, wind, solar, hydrogen fuel cells, the blending of ethanol. Same way artificial intelligence, data analytics, industrial automation. Same setup like something you are also having, like an aggregator kind of a digital aggregator kind of a business, or the e-commerce players which are there. Defense, telecommunication, there are certain sectors we know that lot of capex and the money is flowing into that particular segment and the sectors. Definitely lot of growth opportunity is available in those emerging sectors that we would like to participate. So our first part of the strategy is going towards industrial revolution. The second part of the strategy in Decennium opportunity is going towards business upcycle. So in business upcycle, there are many, I can say, if you look at any particular company also, in their life cycle, there are period of contraction, period of expansion also. Period of expansions are usually called as business upcycle.
Right.
For example, we have seen auto industry and banking industry very recently, after seeing a consolidation of 3 to 4 years, they have started moving in their business upcycle. 1.5 years back, we have already seen the real estate market also started to pull up. However, we are also looking at one different way of business upcycle over here. There are certain industry and sectors which have never went for a contraction, never went for correction. They are still growing, but they are now going to witness an accelerated growth rate. So those companies are also part of our business upcycle. These are chemical companies, API manufacturing companies, engineered product companies, electrical goods companies, wherever government is seeing that yes, India has lot of potential, lot of capability in those segments, sectors. We just need to scale up our business. If we increase our scale of this business in these particular area, government is trying to provide them with PLI scheme, export incentive scheme to scale up this business. We can become a good global supply partner and try to take the advantage of the current recent phenomena of China plus one strategy, and now people are also talking about Europe plus one kind of a strategy. So this is where certain sectors are going to be witnessing an accelerated growth. So we are having a dual focus strategy in this Decennium opportunity: industrial revolution, new age economy or disruptive technology, and the second part what we are looking at is the business upcycle.
Right. So, there's a saying that the returns are basically a function of the markets. I would say the returns are also a function of the behavior, investors' behavior. And I keep getting this question from a lot of investors, and they keep, for example, recently in the recent past, you saw Ukraine war taking place, and then, market tanking by good 25-30%. Some of the stocks went down to the large extent of even 50%, like Dr. Lal Pat, etc.